Okay, question number 8. Use L'Hopital's rule to find this limit. So you can initially plug in 0 over the equation, over the expression. This one goes to, when x goes to 0, 0 minus 0, and numerator will be secant 4th power of x. Secant x is 1 over cosine x. When x equals 0, cosine x goes 1. So its reciprocal of 4th power equals to 1 minus cosine x squared goes to 1. So it's going to be a 0 over 0 format. So it's legitimate to use L'Hopital's rule. So initially apply L'Hopital's rule gives this expression becomes limit when x goes to 0. Differentiating the denominator will be 4x 3rd power minus 2x. Differentiating with secant 4th power of x will be 4 times secant 3rd power of x. Secant x differentiating of secant x will give us secant x secant x tan of x minus cosine x squared. So 2 times cosine x, differentiating cosine x with negative sine over x. So we can express this one together, secant 3rd power and 1 power, so secant 4th power. So secant 4th power of x, x to the 4th. So plug in 0 will give us 0 minus 0 on the denominator. Numerator will be 0 will be, this one will be 1. This term will be all 0. This term will be 0. So 0 over 0. So we can apply L'Hopital's rules again. Equals limit when x goes to 0. Differentiating the denominator is 12x squared minus 2. This one, differentiating this one, so get rid of this. Differentiating this one will be 16 times secant 3rd power of x. So differentiating secant x first, so it's going to be another secant x tan of x. Put tan of x behind, so it's squared of x, plus leave the first part for secant 4th power of x. Differentiating tan of x is secant square of x, plus, so we have to apply the product rule again. Differentiating first part will be 2 minus 2 sine of x. Put the second part, plus leave the first part 2 cosine x. Differentiating second part, this one becomes squared. So we can put, again, we can put 0. So this one goes to 0. Tan of 0 is whole term goes to 0. Sine of 0 is goes to 0. Secant x goes to 1. Square root 6 times just 1. Cosine x goes to 1. So this one becomes, denominator becomes negative 2. Numerator becomes 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 2 is just here, so plus 2. So it's going to be 6 over negative 2 equals negative 3.